Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Conversation Hub, where we help you improve your spoken English through real life conversations. Today's conversation is about a funny yet unfortunate incident where one friend talks about how he tripped over a wire and fractured his hand, while the other friend listens and sympathizes. Stay tuned, learn new phrases, and boost your English skills effortlessly. You won't believe what happened yesterday. Oh man, what's up? I was walking through the office hallway and someone had left the wire running across the floor. I didn't even see it, and bam! I tripped so hard. Dude, that sounds awful. Are you okay? Not really? I fell pretty badly. I tried to break the fall with my hand, and next thing I knew, it was hurting like crazy. Oh no. Did you go to the hospital? Yeah, I had to. The pain was unbearable. Turns out I fractured my wrist. Oh no. That's rough, man. How long is it going to take to heal? The doctor said about 6 weeks if I'm careful. They put a cast on it, and I have to go for a few checkups. 6 weeks? That's a long time. How are you going to manage work? Honestly, I have no idea. Typing is already a nightmare. They said they'll arrange some voice to text software for me in the meantime. At least they're trying to help. Still, whoever left that wire out needs a serious talking to. Exactly. It's just so careless. I wasn't even looking down because, you don't expect random hazards on the office floor. For sure. And it's not like you were running or anything, right? Nope, just walking normally. I'm so annoyed. Plus, now everyone's treating me like I'm super fragile. Well, you kind of are right now. Gotta take it easy. Yeah, I know. Guess I'll just milk it for all the sympathy I can get. You better. Free coffees, rides, whatever you can squeeze out of it. I'm already on it. First coffee's on you, though? Haha, deal. Let's get you healed up first, hero. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.